Hello everyone, it's November the 3rd. I took 2 vaccines yesterday, and my god, today was terrible. Feels terrible. I mean, I did do all the training, but after the training I had to really lie down for I think half an hour just to regroup. And right now, my head is about to explode. I think I did all I need to do for preparation, almost all I need to do for preparation for next 2 weeks. I'll be back in Florida next 2 weeks. Do data collection and stuff. It's kind of the last push. It's gonna be yeah, I'm gonna miss here, except for the cold weather. Damn, it's so cold here. All right, we got lucky today. We have a easy problem, so it's kind of sign we need to finish this palindrome stuff. We had a idea yesterday about a palindrome. Wait, where did I put it? I wrote it here, so we're gonna try to see if it works. Hopefully it works. All right, anyway, let's try this one. Reverse vowels. What do you mean? Reverse only the vowels. Oh, that's interesting. What do you think? Well, what I think is we get the vowels out, right? We have different positions, and then we just go from right to left, right? This one get to, yeah, so we go from all their positions indices out. So in this index, we put in this one. This index put in this one. This index put in this one. Yeah, that's not too hard. Hopefully I get it fast. I'm almost finished the book. I was reading Our Lady of Artelect, a book that I tried to get a free copy, but it didn't really work. So the author says he's gonna do a 99 cents on Kindle. So I got it. Well, I mean, what should I say? I don't think this is the best book I've read. I think the author had a lot of ambition, but the execution is kind of falling flat. And it was kind of a drag to go through. So yeah, I don't think I'll recommend it. Seriously, I don't think so. A E I O U. Okay. For I A in enumerate S. If A in vowels, now I put I here, then for I in vowels indices, I'm gonna put J here. Right, vowel indices minus 1. Then we say list I shall equal to vowel indices minus J list, well, we can do S, then J minus equal 1. So all we're going, it goes back and then return join list. Okay. That shall do. I don't know why people don't like it. I think this is a rather interesting problem for a easy level. Unless there is something I don't know. Let's consider edge case. good. Oh, it's a new problem. Oh! Ah, that's why. That's why people hate it. Wait. You never say you can do capitalized letters. That is against the rule, man. That is against the rule. Oh. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna download this one too. We need to make it clearer. Alright, I need to make it clearer. Should specify that the vowels. Oh! No. Okay, it's my bad. They said it in both lower and uppercase. Alright, it's my fault. Okay, it's nothing to complain. It's my fault. Nothing to complain. I thought, well, the thing is, you see this, right? And you assume that it's going to be lowercase. You didn't see the uppercase. That's all right. That's all right. It's okay. Don't forget to include the uppercase as well. All right. What would the solution be? 2 pointers. Yeah, we don't have to. Yes, that actually. Yeah, it makes sense. You know what? I want to do 2 pointers. I want to do 2 pointers. I mean, technically this is 2 pointers, but a wasted space, right? A wasted space. So we can do 2 pointers, let's say, directly on S. Yeah, we still need this. We need these things. It's inevitable. And then we can do I and J. Right? So where we go? So if we hit, I hit, then J is not. Every time one is not, we just keep going until both. Right? Until both are, then we swap them. Then we keep going. Okay? So while I is smaller than J, right? We say if SI in vowels and SJ in vowels, right? If they're both in, then we just swap them. No, swap list. Right? J equals list J list I. Then I plus equal 1, J minus equal 1. Now if SI is not in vowels, then I just plus equal 1. Else, if SJ not in vowels, J minus equal 1, right? Then we'll return the join S. How about this? How about this? Oh, LST, my bad. Yeah, I like this. It saves time. Saves time. Yeah, sure. I have the uppercase. Yeah, this should be good. Yeah, they're going to say, why is it so slow? Okay, so this one's done. All right, let's go for the problem we didn't solve yesterday. Okay, okie dokie. Let's go back to here. I have an idea, which is a DP idea, but I need to implement it. So the idea is, I say the dp is going to be index, okay? So we say index, dp index, and the remainder, right? The remaining. And we just say we're going to try every single one. And we probably also need to get another, right? Another 100 by 100. So we know from this to this how much, right? So from 0, let's say 0 to 1, how many we have to transform. So we'll start with -1. Yeah, you know what? Let's try this. Kind of 2 rounds of dp. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. So I say dp, right? Okay. For this in range n -1 times n, right? I would say dpij is the minimum number of changes. Maybe we can, actually I'm not sure, minimum number of changes to make si to j plus 1 palindrome. And then they're by themselves, right? Then we just say for I in range n dpi, they are all 0, right? Okay. Yeah, I don't think this can do because every single one we have to. Yeah, that's fine. Now we can def helper index and remain. Okay, remaining, and this one will return an integer. So whatever this is, we want is called helper. Our index, we want to know from the start to the end, right? Actually, no. I want to do k different. So we have the first, then we have this. So what are we gonna do? What are we going to do? Res equals the minimum, so go math.inf. Okay. Then we say for I in range 1, right, 2. We don't have to go all the way to the end because depending on the k, right? Depending on the k, so we know. So where should I go? K is a certain value, right? So I have the first, and then the rest is k minus 1, right? So I can go, most is here. So this is k minus 1. So this is minus k, right? So n minus k, right? N minus k is the last one we can go. For example, here k is 2, n is 3. So last one is 1, which means we can do this 1, 0, 1. Now this is the last one. We can do 1. Yeah, we can go all the way to 1, right? So we shall say 1 to n minus k plus 1, right? So we can reach here. For example, here is 8. N is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So we can handle. Oh, this one we can't even do. The hell? Yeah, I'll have it goes from 0. So all the way to this, right? All the way to this. So we say this is to find the minimum number of changes to turn this to index plus 1, right? Just to turn this into rem number of disjoint palindrome substrings, right? So that's where we can go. We can go all the way, so we can landing here, landing here, landing here. Like this one can only landing here. This one's 3, so it's 5 minus 3. It's 2 plus 1 is 3, so we end 2. 0, 1, 2. We can landing here, right? So we want this, and then we need to do and we need to find, like say this, how much this will get. I don't know. This seems to be so this is a helper. We're going to define another one. Def min changes, right? Let's say for I to j. Yeah, I don't see how this one can be improved. Because if you shift one, that'll be completely different. So yeah, we just compare, right? We say these two are they the same. They're the same, that we don't change. These two is not the same, so we have to change. But it doesn't really matter which one to change. So just go, this is from I to j. So this is the mean number of changes to make Si to j plus 1 palindrome. Right? So I to j. Minimum changes. Then we can say if it's we can go out in. Right? And just say res plus equal to Si is equal to Sj. No, not equal to. Turn res. Right? So we have this. Then what? Then we can say helper. Oh, no. That's not right. It's from index to the end. Shoot. Index to the end. Index to the end. So the first one has to be, first one to take this, right? I is the first, is the second index, right? The second index. So, no, I is not the second index. I is the end of the previous one. So we just move on to I plus 1, right? I plus 1. So we can say helper I plus 1 k minus 1, right? It's always at the start. And we can say t equals this. We can say t1, and we can say if dp 0 to I is smaller than 0, then dp 0 I shall equal to main changes 0 and I, and then rest shall equal to minimum dp 0 I plus t, and then we'll return rest. Okay, so how do we do this one? So from index to the end, right? So we can always, if that's the case, we should put this one here, right? So from index to n minus remaining, right? Plus 1. So we have 2 left. I think I can advance all the way to this. So from 1 left, yeah. So from index, I can take. So I say I take index, right? Then it's remaining minus 1, right? And then that is going to be index, right? Index, index, index. Then we also can say if remaining is 1, right? If remaining is 1, it means from index to the end, we have only 1. Then we shall say if dp index to n minus 1 is smaller than 0, then dp index n minus 1 shall equal to mean change index and n minus 1, right? Then we'll return dp index n minus 1. And then we just do helper index is going to be 0, remaining is going to be k. I am not sure. Oh, it doesn't work. Alright, something is not right. No, what the hell? Alright, let's see. Okay. Alright. Oh, my bad. Forgot. Alright, what the hell? Int object is not iterable. What int object? Huh? DP is not interop. Wait, what? Wait, what the hell? Oh, hold on. Minimum. Yeah, I passed, but I don't think so. I seriously doubt it. I can run some test cases. Because at most is 100, so it should be fine. and lowercase letter. So we'll import string, right, from random import choice, right? So all we need to do is to print two things. So for this in range 10 test cases, so I'm gonna print this, no, wait, this plus this plus, all right, and the middle is going to be dot join for this in range 100. Yeah, let's do 10 first. Okay, choice string dot ASCII lowercase. Okay, then we're gonna print. Oh, shoot! From random also into import rand int. Okay, so we have this. Then print. No, what the hell are you doing, man? Oh shoot! Let's copy this. Plus okay, randint 1 to 10. There we go. Okay. But then let's up the stake. I think we're gonna time out, but we'll see. Yeah, it's my timeout. Let's try it. Not 100% sure. Ew, we got this. Okay, that's a little bit surprising. I didn't expect to get it. Interesting. So how many times did we hit this thing? Actually, we can run this. Repeat. Okay, so every time we say else self dot repeat plus equal 1, right? Say else self dot repeat plus equal 1, and then before we do it, print self dot repeat. Curious to see if we ever repeat a thing. We do. No, that's not what we want. I want overall. Like this. Wow, we did repeat. We repeat a lot of times. Huh. Wow. So we save. Okay. Okay, it's not bad. I think this is actually pretty optimal, right? I think this is pretty optimal. I'm surprised. Okay, so the intuition is like this. At the end of the day, we will when the optimal solution shows up, right? No. We use two DP for this. The first one is the overall DP, which answers the question that the minimum number of changes to make S index 2 at the end with turn into rem number of disjoint palindrome substrings. So this DP answers for each pair of index rem, right, we can separate out one letter on the left as a substring, or 2 letters, or 3 letters, etc. Then throw the same problem to the remaining string. Right. Second DP is to find the minimum number of changes to make Si to G plus 1 palindrome. This DP can be done using aeropuerto cache. This DP can be achieved using memoization. So the overall runtime is going to be O. So the first DP, so this time complexity of this DP is O NK, right? And the time complexity of this DP is O N squared times 100. Well, O N squared. Actually, wait, is O N squared? Because you have to do this. So for each pair, no, I think it's O N tripled, because you have to go through the entire thing at least once, right? At least once. I mean, yeah, maybe what we can do. Maybe. I don't know. You think it'll be faster? So it's ONK plus N tripled, which shall equal to ON tripled Okay, let's see. Smart people. Oh, he straight up just do the cost, just calculate every single time. It entered a 2. If we cache, no. You call this, and this one takes time as well, right? You call this as ON squared, but you have all these to consider. I stick to ON. Yeah, this is the same solution as everybody else. Okay, we got this. I am surprised. What's the hint? Suffix of s. Yep. Okay. Now we have the other. Oh, what mama? Oh, another hot. Man. Some other time. I'll see you guys. Oh, shoot. Tomorrow. I'll see you guys in Florida tomorrow. Alright, adios. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Florida's 3 hours. Shoot. I won't arrive until 1. 1 something. When I got there, it'll be 2 something. So, and yeah, it starts at 5 here. Oh no, it starts at 8 in Florida. I was thought it was -3. No, it's +3. Yeah. So tomorrow's challenge starts at 5 p.m. Pacific time. So you will start at 8 p.m. right? 8 p.m. in Florida in Eastern time. So when I take the flight, I arrive in Florida will be 1 p.m. and I have until 8 p.m. I have until 8 p.m. to do this. I think that should be the first thing. I go there and I just do this. Or I can do this in the airport. I mean, I can do this in the airport early in the morning. It'd be fantastic doing this in the airport. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.